Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's videos friends, I will show you beautiful pistachio drops ideas. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's videos. So friends, my first idea is very decorative candle holder. Take a small jar or glass, paste pistachio around it, paint in golden or silver for a classic look. Put a candles inside. Beautiful home decor. Pistachio tree art. Draw a tree trunk on paper or canvas. Use pistachio as leaves. Paint them green or keep nature look like a tree artwork and jewelry. Jewelry. So reverse. Select a small clean shells, color them with nail polish or paint, attach hook or thread, make friendly jewelry and weavers. Weavers, bird or animal crafts. Arrange shelter from birds, fish or butterflies. Stick on papers and paint nicely. Great for kids' school project. Gift box decoration. And weavers. So next idea is friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel.